I'm going to show you how to use Co-Writer. Now, we previously learned about Snap and Read, but today we're going to do Co-Writer. Co-Writer is what helps you to write. So you speak your words or ideas, and Co-Writer translates that into text. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. This is the address bar, and we're going to go to docs.google.com right here. Okay. And then I'm going to press enter. All right. And then I want to start a new document. Okay. So each document is like a file or whatever you're working on. So we want to name it really quickly. So let's do Joshua Co-Writer. Okay, so now I'm going to go here, and you see this thing that pops up. That's what Co-Writer is. So if you don't see it, you may have to click this and turn it on over here. Okay, let's go back here. There's 3 options here. The one we're going to use for right now is speak, which is right here. Okay, and that says speech to text. Click here for speech to text. When I click here, Co-Writer helps me to type my ideas, period.
When I click here, Co-Writer helps me to type my ideas.
Okay, so now if you heard that and if it was too fast, we can change that. If you don't like the voice, we could try to figure that out, but I'm not really sure. But let's try something else. I like using Co-Writer because I don't have to find the letters to spell the words, period. Okay, so now this one didn't work, so let's use Snap and Read, okay, to help us.
I like using Co-Writer because I don't have to find the letters to spell the words.
Okay, it says Co-Writer, so we want to delete that. Okay, and I'm going to try again. Co-Writer. Okay, so let's try and go.
Co-Writer.
Okay, and I stopped it, so you didn't have to listen to the whole entire thing again. I'm going to close that. All right, and that's how you use Co-Writer. So we're going to practice using this. So don't worry if you don't get it the first time, because it took me a bunch of times to figure it out as well. Okay, and I look forward to using this with you and helping you with your classwork. Okay, I'll see you later.